Chelsea, your mic moved away again.
It's like shoved into my mouth.
All right.
I don't know what more.
No,
I can do.
something keeps happening where it goes farther. Like I can hear you moving it, and then I can hear you again.
We're like moving away.
No, I'm like it's in my mouth.
Maybe
a
check
gain?
your Discord settings.
Or like a gain knob.
A gay knob?
Like
Gain, G-A-I-N, gain.
I was like, what?
Just checking.
Or if you're into it, I'm not judging. Whatever.
0 to
The gain knob or
100.
the gain.
Where do you
A gay knob. There's websites.
No, I imagine like an actual knob that you turn. Like today, I'm confused. 0% gay.
I'm gay. Well, that's what the Republicans think you do.
Yeah,
If
that's
you are
true.
gay, you just decide that you're gay. You turn
I'll
it
be
on.
gay. I definitely feel like confronting
Yeah.
rampant homophobia on a daily basis. Oh god, that was too funny. I don't know why that was so funny, it just was.
Alright, how did we set these guys up again?
There's a workbench and you can combine things?
Yes.
What?
Anatoly needs to go to that damn flower.